Yeah, myself Hanif Sheikh. I'm from Work Consultancy. Today our session regarding Prime Tally Prime launching. Uh, Anyone, can you confirm that my voice is clear?
Yes, Sanivji, very clear.
Yeah, thank you.
Aji
Yes,
sir,
sir.
clear.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, sir. I'll just show that our journey begin with. We started at Tally 3 releases, the first world codeless accounting software. Earlier, it was everything should be code basis, and by the name, we can't able to access data. So Tally is first launched with the name without code also accounting software in 1988 to 92. Then next, we are introduced a Tally release 4. This is a very speed and reliable software. It's a DOS mode base, a very speed software. Then next, we are shifted to GUI support, Windows. We are introduced inventory as well as multi-currency capabilities and budget features in 1999 era. The next, Tally 6.3 release, where Tally introduced XML data interchange facility, ODBC, Open Database Source. You can share data from Tally to different data applications and data sync from the branch to head office and different locations. Then 7.2, you know that VAT is introduced for the VAT taxation capabilities and modular statutory capabilities in 2005. In 2006, Tally started multilingual language facility with payroll facility. The same year, Tally introduced one more release, Tally 9. It's a full performance with all features. In 2009, Tally Series A launched. In Series, Tally given facility of Tally.NET remote login, then auditor edition facility, manufacturer accounting, excise, and customer support center facility. In 2015, Tally launched Tally ERP9 release 5.0. It's a simplified taxation and on-demand synchronization, post-dated checks management system, and bank-related options like bank payment advice, bank pay slip, everything. In 2017, Tally launched release 6.0. It's a GST capabilities and for the VAT. Now, Tally is proudly launching Tally Prime. It's very simplified and easiest to operate and very surprisable features. Let us start. Our main objective, simplify the simplest, greater flexibility, fresh look and feel is our motto. These are some of the features right now introduced in the Tally Prime, and these are the few only, not all. In later releases, Tally going to give more surprises. Please stay tuned. Out of this, I'll show some of the things. What are the major features? The first will be browse option. Tally now compatible with the entire features. We can operate by mouse, and we can browse now also. How I'll show in the Tally live demo. Yeah. Yeah, here the Tally application. Once we open, we have a list of companies in our database. We want to open some other database. So earlier we have to specify the data path by typing. Now you can simply, by the mouse clicking, select from drive. You click it, you can browse. Like this. You can browse facility. and data entry. In data entry, there is a change mode, a smart option is given. The primary object of change mode is while entry, either we are doing a single entry, we may want to shift to double entry method, or we are doing item invoicing, we want to shift to accounting invoice, we are doing invoice mode, we want to shift to voucher mode. These kind of modes, now very simplified method that I'll show how. Highlighting one company I've selected. Yeah. Yeah. Right now I'm in the payment voucher. This screen also be same like how earlier Tally ERP9. But here the thing is now it is in single entry mode like account particulars. Now I want to be a double entry mode like a debit credit mode. Simply we have a feature here change mode. There is a button change mode. Simply click with mouse. Go to double entry method. Here, there are the features are there. Double entry mode. Select double entry mode. We just go to the debit credit method. Like same in sales invoice. Right now it is name of item quantity. It is item invoice. Now I want accounting invoice. So simply go to the change mode. Go to the accounting invoice. Use accounting invoice. Whereas particulars details will become. Same again, I'll roll back into the item invoicing. This is item invoicing. But here I don't want invoice mode, I want voucher mode. Simply I'll go to the change mode, select as voucher. That's a beauty and very simplified thing. Yeah. This is what Tally is introduced a very smart additional details features while entry. For example, we already entered some voucher, or else while entering voucher, we want to add some more details. Simply click the more detail feature to add. For example, I want to add order details. The order details will come automatically. I want to add narration, more details. Select more details. Voucher narration. Automatically it goes like this. This is very useful feature. Why I'm telling you. Let's assume that we have entered 20 line items, like 20 items were entered. Okay. In 20 items, we already saved. We want to add a narration, or we want to add some payment supplementary details. So the voucher has to take much more time to save. But instead of here, we are not disturbing the entire voucher. Simply we'll go to here like party details. We want to edit. Simply go to party details. You can simply edit. So it reduces the saving time, and it is not going to hang. And while alteration mode, it's very, very useful, especially. Yeah, this is very unique features, and the biggest, and we are waiting from the long time. Tally is introduced now. The facility is go to option, shift option. So let example that if you are doing while entry itself, you want to check some report. For example, you are doing entry. There are 20 to 30 line items are there. 20 to 30 items are there, where you are doing in between at the line of 20th item, you want to check the ledger report, or your boss call you, ask about of outstanding statement. So in between, you can't able to, earlier you can't able to get the report from the same screen. At the time, what we have done, we have escaped from the what work we have done, go back, again come back, again retype the work. But now in Prime, it's given a smart feature, go to feature. Here you can find the go to option. Let's explain. Yeah, in between while I am doing the voucher, while in between the voucher, I got a call from my boss. He's asking me outstanding receivable statement. So here at itself, simply go to menu. Yeah, here you go to the Bills receivable. Directly bills receivable. You can send it a mail. So we mail again, simply press escape. You come back to the voucher. The voucher will not go, and it saves you a lot of time. Not only just go to, in the go to again, there is a one more smart features. Let's see that here I want some ledger voucher report. Whereas I have to check manually one by one. Instead of that, you simply type in the area ledger vouchers. You type, it will highlight automatically. It will search and give you. Once come back, escape, you come to the voucher. That's the beauty of the go to feature. It's most exciting feature in Tally. From 2 to 3 years onwards, we got a number of requirements, inquiries from our clients. We keep on asking Tally, sir, we want to shift from screen to screen. So Tally, at last, they're given this feature. It's most useful for the, especially for the while data entry, we can shift from one screen to one screen. Yeah, with the help of this, no, you can go from any screen to any screen, do a multitasking, flexibly you can navigate. And it's very easy to remember that, no, you can simply press escape, escape, escape. You will go to the same screen where you started. For example, I'll go to ledger vouchers, ledger outstanding. Then from here again, I go to purchase register. Then again from here, I'll go to sales register. From here again, I'll go to trial balance. So I have gone to number of tasks. If I want to come back, simply press escape. Screen to screen, it go back. It comes to the where you started. So that's most useful feature in Tally Prime. Yeah. Then next is a change view. A change view also one feature. I'll show that lively how it will change view. Yeah, there's a trial balance where I'm pressing enter. Here change view. You simply click it. Here you can simply see that any report, the monthly summary, change view, quarterly, change view, half-yearly, summary, voucher details. So all view type of reporting view methods, we can simply click change view and you can see monthly summary like this. And the change view itself with cost center breakup, related reporting also it will give. For example, this transaction is correlated with the cost center. Even those also come in change view. Cost center breakup related to that transaction. That's change view. And one more is exception reports. Exception reports means if we are doing any negative ledgers or else is there any optional vouchers, reversing journals, those facility also it will show here. Yeah, then chart of accounts. Actually, earlier in Tally ERP9 or earlier version, if you want to create any chart of masters, there are separate menus, and it is little bit confusion to the user to which type of master available in which type of menus, and everyone it's difficult to find out the master where is the availability and how to do alteration. While doing alteration itself, he want to know with other masters details, it is very difficult to view. Now in Tally Prime, it's very easy and very simplified method. I'll show now. Here, earlier it was accounts info, inventory info, payroll info. There are a number of informations. Under that, we can able to find that what are the masters, how to create and everything. But here simply classified only create, alter, and chart of accounts. Simply create. You can create at a time all type of masters, whether accounting master, inventory masters, payroll masters, statutory masters, all masters, a single place you can easily create. Not only like that, while creating also you can easily shift also, right? I am creating ledger, I want to shift to some other masters. There's a button here, other masters button. You simply click other masters, simply jump to some other area. Like you want to now immediately go to the stock item. Like I want to go to Godon. So simply you can jump over the same screen. You can able to create all master. No need to create one master area, again come back, again go to the inventory info, again go to the payroll info. No need these all things. So Tally is cut down all confusion.